Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here. It's me again. So I just did a video on Norwex and why I did sign up with the company, because I've been actually purchasing Norwex for probably about 3 years now, but for this month only, you can sign up for their kit, which is their free starter kit, and you don't have to pay anything except for shipping and handling. I believe it came to about $11 total. That's it. But it comes with I believe these are the products that they sell the most of. So the Enviro cloth, which you can use for anything, it is antibacterial, and their window cloth also, which is the same thing you can use for anything. Think your like monitors, cell phones, mirrors, windows, everything. This set is normally over $40, but you can get it for free this month and just pay the shipping and handling, which with tax and everything is about 11 something. And I signed up because you can get a 35% discount. I've been ordering Norwex for years, and I did need some new stuff anyway. I do probably have a little bit of everything, but new products have come out, new colors that I would like to try, things like that. So I'm pretty excited. But a lot of people have been asking me, do you have to actually sell if you sign up? No. I do plan to sell on the side if anybody comes to me, but EPICURE, I'm doing a lot of like cooking classes and stuff like that. So cleaning and cooking kind of go hand in hand if you ask me. So it just kind of makes sense to just kind of sell this on the side too. So if you do decide to sell, you would get 35% commission on everything. But if you do not decide to sell, that's okay. And you get a 35% discount for your own personal products. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what this looks like. This is the free kit. You can sign up for other kits if you want to. I believe they have 4 other ones, and you do get a big discount on those too, which I'll find the paperwork on that and I can show you guys in the next one. If you guys would like to sign up, I can leave the link for you on the bottom. Just let me know if you have any questions. I am so happy to help, and I'll see you in the next one.